An overhanging beam on single side overhang, actually span, this is L and this is L by 2, carrying a UDL on entire span, W kilonewton per meter intensity. Find deflection at free end. Find deflection at free end. Deflection at free end by strain energy method. By strain energy method. Now, apart from this UDL, we need to apply imaginary load at this free end. Imaginary load P. This is imaginary load. This is L and this is L by 2. Now we will find support reactions. Support reactions means due to here, if you take clockwise moments, total moments about this point as 0, that is W into 3L by 2 into 3L by 4, because this entire length is 3L by 2. W into 3L by 2 is the load, central distance is 3L by 4 plus P into 3L by 2 equal to RB into L. Therefore, RB equal to dividing this L, 9 by 8 W, 9 by 8 WL plus 3 by 2 P. 9 by 8 WL plus 3 by 2 P. This is this one. RB is 9 by 8 WL plus 3 by 2 P. This reaction, RA reaction is RA plus RB. That means total load is W into total load is RA plus RB equal total load, that is W into 3 by 2L plus P. RB we know. RA equal to 3 by 2 WL plus P minus RB. Minus RB means 9/8 of WL minus 3 by 2 P. That equal to 3 by 2 minus 9 by 8. That means 3 by 8 WL minus P by 2. 3 by 8 WL minus P by 2. So this is that reaction. 3 by 8 WL minus P by 2. 3 by 8 WL minus P by 2. These are the reactions. Now we will find strain energy. Strain energy U equal to, first this portion X from support, from this portion. Now integral 0 to L by 2 P into X plus W into X square by 2. P into X plus W into X square by 2. That is the bending moment. Whole square by 2EI plus then this region. This region better to take from left side X. Now their bending moment is 3 by 8 WL minus P by 2 into X minus WX square by 2. This is the bending moment expression, whole square by 2EA dx integral 0 to L, because here to here span is L. This is strain energy. Now delta equal to dou U by dou P, because imaginary load is P, that equal to integral 0 to L by 2 times of Px plus Wx square by 2 into differentiation of Px with respect to P is x by 2EI dx plus integral 0 to L 2 times of 3/8 of WL minus P by 2 of x minus Wx square by 2 into differentiation of this thing with respect to P is minus x by 2, minus x by 2 by 2EA. 2 to cancel and here also 2 to cancel. Put P equal to 0. Now delta equal to integral 0 to L by 2. P 0 means remaining thing is here W x cube by 2 EI dx plus here 1 by EI out 0 to L. P is 0 means 3/8 of WLX into minus x by 2. That means minus 3/8 of WL into x into minus x by 2. That is 3 by 16th minus 3 by 16th of WL x square. WL x square and minus minus plus W x cube by 4 minus minus plus W x cube by 4 dx. Now integrating W by 2EI x power 4 by 4 0 to L by 2 plus 1 by EI minus 3 by 16 WL x cube by 3 plus W by 4 x power 4 by 4 0 to L, that equal to W by 8 EI into L power 4 by 2 power 4 16 plus 1 by EI into minus 3 by 16 W L power 4 by 3 plus W L power 4 by 16, that equal to W L power 4 by EI, taking out there 16 into 8 128, here minus 3 cancel 1 by 16 plus here 1 by 16, that equal to this will get cancelled and therefore delta equal to 1 by 128 WL power 4 by EI. That is the deflection at free end.